Hello everyone, my friends. My name is Sophia. Today I will tell you about a bad day. Sometimes we try to be perfect. We want everything to go well. But life is not always perfect. Today I had a difficult morning. Many small things went wrong. Maybe you know this feeling. Maybe you also have days like this. In this lesson, we will learn some English words for negative feelings. We will learn words like frustrated and unlucky. Do not worry. This lesson is gentle and simple. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Even if today is not a good day, we can still learn something new together. Are you ready? Let's start. First, I wake up late. My clock shows 8 o'clock. I feel surprised and worried. I run to get ready. Then I hurry out of my house. The sky is gray and the air is cold. Next, I walk fast to the bus stop. Suddenly, my phone falls from my hand. It hits the ground. Crack. The screen is broken. The glass looks like a spider web. I feel very frustrated. After that, I run to the bus stop. But the bus moves away. I see the red lights of the bus. The sound of the engine is loud. I miss the bus. Now the rain starts to fall. The rain is cold on my face. My jacket becomes wet. I stand there and sigh. I feel unlucky today. Finally, I walk slowly to a small coffee shop. Now let us learn a new word. Look at this word frustrated. Frustrated means you feel angry and sad because something goes wrong. For example, I feel frustrated because my phone is broken and I miss the bus. When many small problems happen together, we can call the day a disaster. Disaster means a very bad situation. But remember, bad days happen to everyone. Next, I sit in the warm cafe. The chair is soft and comfortable. I hold a cup of hot chocolate. The drink smells sweet and warm. The steam rises slowly. I look at the rain outside the window. I take a deep breath. I cannot fix my phone now. I cannot catch the bus now. But I can rest for a moment. I can drink this warm chocolate. Sometimes life is not perfect. That is okay. I stop trying to control everything. I relax my mind and breathe slowly. Finally, I feel calm again. Now let us practice together. Repeat after me. I am having a bad day, but I have a good life. Now again. I am having a bad day, but I have a good life. Next sentence. It is okay to feel frustrated. Again. It is okay to feel frustrated. Last sentence. Tomorrow is a new start. Again. Tomorrow is a new start. Very good. That is my bad day story. Today was not perfect, but I learned something important. Bad days are normal. They help us love the good days more. Now I feel calm and grateful. What about you? Do you have bad days sometimes? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.